The GME extension identifies a Game Music Emu audio file containing retro video game music data, playable through the Game Music Emu library. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play, convert, or troubleshoot these game music files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a GME file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. GME files are audio files supported by the Game Music Emu library, containing chiptune and retro video game music from consoles, including NES, SNES, Game Boy Genesis, and other classic gaming platforms. They store sequence music data that is synthesized during playback. Game Music Emu supports multiple chip music formats, including NSF-NES, SPC-SNES, VGM Genesis, GBS Game Boy, and HES PC Engine. GME files may use any of these formats containing instrument register data, note sequences, and platform-specific synthesis parameters. The native handling utility for GME files is Game Music Emu by Blarg. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows plays the audio, but adjusting waveforms or cleaning noise requires specialized tools. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the GME file and choose Open With. If Game Music Emu is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If the GME file won't budge, stay calm. Because the GME format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, playing game music. Install foobar2000 with the Game Music Emu component, or use VGMPlay for dedicated game music playback. Load the GME file to hear synthesized chiptune music. These players emulate the original sound hardware for authentic retro game audio reproduction. Next, converting to WAV or MP3. Use foobar2000 with the GME component to convert game music files to WAV or MP3 format. Right-click the file in foobar2000's playlist and select Convert. Configure output format, sample rate, and track length, including fade-out duration for the conversion. Finally, exploring game music. Browse the VGM RIPS or Zophar's domain, websites for extensive collections of game music files in GME-compatible formats. Download music from your favorite retro games, organized by console and title. Many classic game soundtracks are freely available for preservation and enjoyment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.